when you're gone, that alone left me weak. That alone left me weak. And it hurt. Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset. No, done set.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Lion TV. Yo, hope you no good in yo, hope everybody alright. But no, so no good I wonder why go on from what you no see me and drop as much content as not even how me use, but as how me supposed to. But yo, you know if you know say outside of the facts that we do this, we still a human being, you understand? So even if a man a vlog alone, just know say there is some era, some aspect of him life where he might get caught up in for a while. You don't know him probably if you have this for sort out or run go sort out that, and it just a gonna make you not able to put out content like how you want to. And I don't say yo you don't want to do it, but yo you just don't get the time to do it. Right now if you don't listen, you probably hear the rain outside. We should have dip on the road and sort out some business, but you don't know the rain forward, so yo that get cancelled for today. So me say alright. Quick update, and because me already depend this topic, me I gonna move right into the first topic of this report. But before me do that, me ask you please give this video a like, and if you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe. So JA Radio, me see them post a video yesterday, you understand, and first the more I say yo, big up to JA Radio, you understand. Me can't even say when me a them supporter, but for the longest while me a them supporter. You understand? From as way back as me can remember, JA Radio, I have been a supporter. You understand? And them are definitely one of the column in a this way called dancehall vlogging. Them are definitely a pioneer. Them pave the way. You understand? And show enough of it we are doing it right now the way. So yo, whole heap of respect, whole heap of credit goes out to JA Radio. We know say a lot of people, including vlogger, no really like them because yo, them will tell you as it is. No matter if them forward, yes, one them say, yo, big up the money. Tomorrow, if them feel like say, yo, if you get a beating, them will forward and say, yo, I know so that go. You understand what I say? And because of that, a lot of people, especially the artists, them no liking. So with that said, me see them drop a video and them really speak of the artists them we are going like say yo vloggers and on nobody, you understand, and vloggers and mash up dancehall and vloggers this vloggers that. But I can tell you this, whole heap of vloggers keep most of them artists a career alive, you understand. If you have an artist right now, no matter how big the artist be, you see if a vlogger now talk about him in a no time he might go fade away. And me can ask you right now, put in the comment section which dancehall artists on see boss since vlogging really take off and no vlogger no really talk about them and them artists they are run till now. None. You understand what me I say? Whole heap of artists also vlogger send a road. Whole heap of artists boy yeah, vlogger do free promo for, you understand. And enough of them artists I know when they forward, you know, and you say certain things about them, you know, bigging them up, you know. Them love you for that, you know, and them now go ever forward and lash out against you. But as soon as them do something wrong and you count them in them head and make them know straight up, say yo, me rate you, but you need to do this or you shouldn't do this, that's when them all forward and say yo, yeah, waste man and yeah this and yeah that. But as what me say, and as what JA Radio say, them artists yeah, need to wake up and know and see say yo, a vlogger run the place, a vlogger make enough of them career is alive right now, and enough of them with them career now they know it. A vlogger can lift up them career and put them career on the top tomorrow morning. So all of them artists, almost every one of them by the way, except like a real boss, most of them forward out and them this vlogger and look down upon vlogger, cause vloggers waste man, say them a mash up dancehall and this and that. But how can vloggers a mash up dancehall? First thing first, if uno now give the vloggers them things for talk, only thing them more forward that's one talk about is your music. But when you not give them things for talk about, what you expect, them now go talk about it, them I go forward and talk about it. When them talk about it, say this a vlogger give a different opinion, that the vlogger they give a different opinion, that one they give a different opinion, and you forward and say yo, them a waste man and them a mash up dancehall, brother. A dancehall on the inner. So if you don't want the vloggers to talk about certain things, just sing on a song. And if you don't want them to talk about certain things again, be careful of what you sing on the song. Because them are going to forward there so, and them are going to talk about it. And this now lead me into the next topic, which is Spice post a picture and everybody around with it says Spice pregnant. But me, nah go run with it until me see the baby the born. You understand what me I say? Because we don't know the stunt them where them artists are pull off in a dancehall to get little attention, me I tell you. And no normal. And again, this goes right back to the vloggers. Spice knows say all of the vloggers them want run with it. That's why she do it. As much as all the internet are run with it, you feel like say if the vloggers them never run and say them want do a story with it. Spice would I do it? Absolutely not. We don't spend much time on that. We are move right in to the next topic. We see that video here, a circulate with Valiant. Check it out.
We style already. We have the collab with me and Vibes Cartel soon ready up. Wells. Blood. How we buying it? Show him it. Alright then. Play the right song. How are the blood? Hey boy, turn off that with that name there 19 boy. Hey, turn off. Hey. Chairman. You know
So as you can clearly see and hear, Valiant just a go on easy, a drive, you understand, upon him live and a go and bung some of Vibes Cartel song them. And even I make the people them know say yo, the collab between them and Vibes Cartel it a forward soon. But Vibes Cartel you know say them man they do a lot of collaboration before and outside of the one where man do with Valiant right now. One of them such collaboration is one where man Popcaan do and him a say yo watch you know, we have a tour movie and him called Popcaan name. Immediately as Popcaan name get mentioned, Valiant say, yo, what no I do? Skip that. Yo, me no want hear nothing about that name there. Me no want hear nothing or see nothing with that name there. Obviously, a Popcaan them attack. Now, this is surprising to me. Me don't know if it's surprising to anybody. We don't know what it go on with the man Popcaan from way before him boss. When Popcaan basically disrespect him on stage blatantly. You understand? But I am sure so me say Valiant, the interview, I don't remember exactly if it was with a YouTuber or who, but I am 100% sure so me see an interview with Valiant after that video went viral with him and Popcaan and them ask him about the situation. And based on what him say, yo, as in, him now said definitely say them a link or them in a any form of dealings, but him never have nothing bad to say about Popcaan. Him basically just say, yo, we did young and everything alright. We there so no, we not look on that. So it really surprising to see him have that outburst there when him hear Popcaan name in a song. You understand me I say, but tell me down below in the comment section what you think about this. So the last thing we are going to touch upon, we see Movado and Jahshii drop a song titled Tears, and yo, uno don't know how Movado got to work. Uno don't know how Jahshii got to work. When them man they got to work, them got to work. And two artists like that go up on a track, yo, you not have to ask. It not gonna be not normal, and as we can see, it is definitely not anything normal. And it's just a song basically for the fallen soldiers, all who in a them life, all who close to them will drop out. You understand what me I say? But when me meant it, me I say, yo, me don't feel like so we're supposed to surprise, you know. Because if you don't remember, I think it was in Trinidad or someplace in the Caribbean, both of them did go for perform at a show. And you see two of them link up and the pictures them get leaked and them little thing there. So it's not surprising if you know say both of them do a collab because yo, we know say both of them are friend. You understand what me I say? But it's really a good look. And the only reason why me not go play no more of the song in this report outside of what I'm seeing the interest, because me personally want to know if you go over Movado YouTube page and go check out the song for yourself. It is really a good track. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. Please may I go ask you, give this video a like, and if you are not yet a subscriber, subscribe now. Bless upon yourself.